Hello there, it's Gordon again for this short video tutorial about how you should use your PeopleString email, which is a cool email for your PeopleString. So when you're on your home page, okay, you scroll down on the right hand side, you'll see mail. Okay, of course you can access your other emails, example if you've got Yahoo, Gmail, okay, but for your PeopleString email you click on the PeopleString logo here, and with just a click you'll find yourself in your inbox, okay, your PeopleString inbox, and it's pretty simple and cool. One of the cool features on PeopleString email is the recallable send, which is really important in a certain point. Example, if you create a new message and you send it to the wrong guy, okay, you can recall your sent email, and you can of course change the recipient mail to your liking, or you can edit again the recently sent email, which is a pretty cool feature that PeopleString allows in their email. So it's pretty simple. There's the main things, okay, the inbox, the drafts, okay, the sent, the junk mail, the trash, okay. You can also, another cool feature actually is when you create a message, you click on the create a message, you can insert a video, you can record the video live, which is a pretty cool feature. I don't think that other emails allow this feature. So you can add even a video, okay, and insert the images as I told you. This is the banner in your email, so that I will show you later how to do it. Actually, that's pretty simple how to use your email. That's pretty it for this video tutorial. I'm gonna go back. That's pretty it. As I said, go and check your PeopleString email frequently. You might receive interesting emails from your entrepreneurs and from the support. So check it out daily in here, your PeopleString email. That's it. It's Gordon Attard here for your video tutorials on PeopleString. I will see you on the next video tutorial. Thank you very much. See you later.